Hey everyone, if you're a Samsung fan, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's kick things off with the design of the Galaxy S25 series. The S25 Ultra, S25, and S25 Plus all feature incredibly thin bezels and a sleek camera setup with 4 lenses. Although the design might still be fine-tuned, Samsung has really outdone themselves with this refresh, making a noticeable leap from the S24 series. Performance. Now the big news, performance. We've got our hands on the first Geekbench 6 results for the Snapdragon Gen 4 chipset, which will power the Galaxy S25 series. These results show over 3,000 in single-core scores and more than 10,000 in multi-core scores. That's a significant boost over the Apple A18 Pro scores. For the S25 Ultra, expect an even more powerful version of this chipset. Samsung's custom overclocked Snapdragon Gen 4 will push performance even further. This means the S25 Ultra will lead in both graphics and CPU performance, setting a new benchmark for smartphones. This leap is thanks to Qualcomm. Samsung's previous Exynos chips couldn't match this level of performance, making this partnership crucial. Moving on to software, Samsung's One UI 7 update has been delayed, but it's set to be their most refined software yet. We're expecting it to drop after the iPhone 16 launch. So what do you think about the Snapdragon Gen 4 and Samsung's upcoming updates? Are you excited for the S25 Ultra? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.